Are you frustrated with the process of learning how to play the acoustic guitar? Well, I know what that feels like because I've been playing guitar for 20 years. I've even wrote a book on how to play the guitar, which you should check out, by the way. So, with my 20 years of guitar playing experience, what would I do if I were in your position trying to learn guitar if you were first buying a guitar for the very first time and don't know how to play? The first thing I'd like to say is if you're very frustrated with learning the guitar is you need to learn how to tune the guitar or get yourself an electronic tuner, because if you don't do this, you're going to sound bad. And in fact, for my first 10 years of playing guitar, I didn't tune my guitar or invest in one of these, and I sounded bad and I struggled. So learn how to tune a guitar. That's step number 1. Step number 2, if you're an absolute beginner and want to learn how to play the guitar, is learn your open, major, and minor chords. Chords I would recommend if you're a beginner is E major, A major, B major, G major, F major, and a C major. Now, I would also recommend learning the B major bar chord, just so you know the whole C major scale, but that's for later on. I also would strongly encourage you to learn all 3 open minor chords, which is E minor, A minor, and then you also have D minor. Those 3 minor chords are helpful to learn too. And by the way, I have a book that can teach you your major and minor chords and just get you set up for learning the guitar. Step number 3 I would recommend for absolute beginners is going to be learn your basic strumming patterns. And here are 3 strumming patterns I'm going to recommend. One is going to be 4 simple down strums. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can learn how to play songs in 4/4 timing. The next one I'm going to recommend is the campfire strumming pattern, which goes down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's also in 4/4 timing. And then for songs in 3/4 timing, I'm going to recommend the waltz strumming pattern. And you can play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going down, 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 down. Or down, up, down, down, up, down. So you can practice your timing. And the next thing I would recommend if you're an absolute beginner is learn simple songs with maybe 3 or 4 chords with simple strumming patterns. Like this. I've been working on the railroad all my lifelong days. You can learn simple songs. A lot of them are also public domain to play. I would strongly recommend looking at my YouTube channel and subscribing, because I teach a lot of simple 3 to 4 chord songs on the guitar. Because learning the guitar is actually a hands-on activity, one thing I would not recommend doing is watching thousands and thousands of videos, wasting your time on learning how to play the guitar. What I would strongly encourage you to do is actually get yourself a physical copy of a tutorial book like this one. I wrote a book, for example. I would strongly encourage this because you could actually flip through the book while you're playing and not worrying about screen time. You're actually reading the book while you're playing, and plus this gives you more structure than going on the internet watching videos. And finally, the last thing I'd like to say is that I would not recommend anyone trying to be that self-taught guitar guy who's been trying to figure it out for 20 years, like me here. I would not recommend wasting thousands of hours on the internet watching videos. What you should do instead is take lessons the old-fashioned way. Get yourself a guitar teacher. Also, you can take lessons online with a webcam. If you're interested in taking lessons online with a webcam, I would strongly encourage you to go to learnguitarwithjeff.com if you're interested in taking guitar lessons. And I'd like to thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a fun and interesting guitar journey. Please check out my website, learnguitarwithjeff.com, if you're wanting to take guitar lessons. Also, get yourself a copy of a physical book so you have some structure. I personally wish I took lessons when I was younger. I had to learn the hard way. But you don't have to. Just take lessons, get a physical book, and it'd be a lot easier for you. Also, please subscribe to my channel because I do tutorials and I teach simple 3 to 4 chord songs that are very easy to learn and sing along to. Thank you for watching, and God bless.